Hey Mustang families, I'm Vanessa Adolphson, your principal for Will Rogers Middle School. Welcome. We're so excited to have you here tonight and see what we've been up to. Please take a moment to visit your student's schedule, visit all of the classes, and if you aren't sure what your student's schedule is, you may stop into the front office here and they can give you a copy as well as a map of the campus. Tonight we have a passport available for families interested in participating and visiting all of our different areas around the campus. You'll be entering that in for a drawing for several prizes we have available tonight. Please make sure if you're interested in seeing what your students are going to be doing the next year, let's say you have a 7th grader and you want to see what's happening in 8th grade, you are free to check out that class and see what's going on. We have a lot going on and we hope that you enjoy this evening. Thanks for stopping by.
Miss Terry, and I do attendance.
Hi, I'm Shelley, and I handle records.
Hi, my name is Cassidy, and I am the school secretary.
Welcome to Back to School Night. I am Logan Grinsell, and I am one of the vice principals here.
My name is Jeff Banks, one of the vice principals.
My name is Mr. Van, and I am the school community specialist here at Will Rogers Middle School.
Mustang family, is Mr. Mason in the building, and I am your campus safety monitor here at Will Rogers.
My name's Coach Andy, and I'm a school community intervention specialist, and I'm the head wrestling coach.
I'm Coach K. I'm the PE teacher here and also the wrestling coach.
Hey, this is Ms. Garvey. I teach PE here at Will Rogers, and hopefully you can come and join us. Bye.
Hi, my name is Luis Casablanca, and I am the PE teacher.
Hello, I'm Mr. Friedman. I'm a PE teacher at Will Rogers Middle School.
Hi, my name is Mr. Leonard, and I'm a 6th grade history teacher here at Will Rogers.
I'm Ms. Coelho. I teach 6th grade science and student government.
My name is Chris Murphy. I teach English for the 6th and 7th graders here at Will Rogers.
Mr. Kaplan, and I currently teach 6th grade English and history.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jackson. I teach 6th grade math and science here at Will Rogers. Welcome.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Zur, and I teach 8th grade U.S. history, 7th grade medieval world history, and I also teach the drama class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Sturkes, and I teach 6th grade math.
Hi, I'm Miss Rachel, and I'm one of the school counselors here at Will Rogers.
Hello, my name is Miss C. I am the 6th and 7th grade school counselor.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kyoto, and I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade history.
Hi, I'm Miss Skubik, and I teach ELD 3, 4, and 8th grade English.
Hi, I'm Miss Allison, and I'm the speech therapist here.
Hi there, my name is Miss Fine, and I am the band, choir, and music teacher here at Will Rogers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Berry, and I am a resource teacher here at Will Rogers.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gaither, and I'm the school psychologist here at Will Rogers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Esquivel. I teach computer applications, computer science, and media.
Hi, I am Miss Frankenberger, and I teach ELD Level 1, 2, and 3. Welcome to Will Rogers.
I'm Miss Foster, and I am the 7th grade world history teacher.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Sleeper, and I am the art teacher here.
My name is Key Lucas, and I teach English 8 and Avid.
I'm Mr. Staniels. I do 6th and 7th grade science.
Hi, I'm Mr. Thomas. I teach math intervention, and I co-teach in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Hi, my name is Miss Lesmosos, and I teach 7th grade science and STEAM.
I'm Miss Seeley, and I teach history and Avid here at Rogers.
I'm Mrs. McMahon, and I teach 7th grade English.
Hello, Mustangs. My name is Mrs. Narula, Seema Narula, and I teach 8th grade math and IM1 at Will Rogers. See you at open house.
I'm Mr. Dan Lee, and I teach resource math and English.
Hello, I am Miss Lovell, and I teach math.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lindgren. I am a math teacher here at Will Rogers. I teach 7th grade math, and I'm also the head of the math department.
Hi, I'm Will Ellis. I teach independent living skills.
Hi, my name is Miss Bailey, and I am one of our special education independent living skills teachers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Snyder, and I teach science, 8th grade science here at Will Rogers Middle School.